Java program for illustrating method overloading concept. First, we have to create one class. The class name is method overloading. In that class, we have to create one method. Method name is a display. The return type is void and the method name is a display. So system dot out dot println display method contains no parameters. Next, we have to create another method. The method name is void display. I am taking one parameter int a. Here return type is void, method name is display. It contains only one parameter, that is a. System dot out dot println a value is this one. Next, we have to create another method void display char ch. Here return type is void, method name is display. It contains the parameter ch. The data type of that parameter is char. System dot out dot println given character is plus ch. Next, another method is void display double a comma double b. Here method name is display, return type is void. It contains two parameters a and b, so both have the return type double. So system dot out dot println a value is next system dot out dot println b value is next we can go for the main method class. We have to create another class. Class name is method overloading demo. Method overloading demo. main method is public static void main string arguments. Now we have to create the object for the method overloading class. Here class name is method overloading. Method overloading. The object name is wo is equal to new method overloading by using that object we have to call that methods, we have to access that method. So object name is o dot display. Next o dot display, we have to give one character, that character is capital P. Here the character can be given within the single quote, not in double quotes. Next o dot display two 2.5 comma 3.5. And the next one is o dot display, that is 5. Next, after that we have to close main method, we have to close class. Okay, so this is the program. So please observe that program. Here first we have to create one class. That class name is method overloading. In that class we have to create 4 methods. Method name is a display. In the first method, this method does not contain any parameters. Next, this method contains only one parameter. Next, this method contains only one parameter. This method contains 2 parameters. Okay, so method name is the same, but its signatures are different. Signatures are not defined in terms of number of parameters and type of parameters. Here we have to pass 2 parameters for display method. Here we have to pass 1 parameter for display method. Here we have to pass 1 parameter for display method. Here we do not pass any parameters for display method. Method name is the same, but its signatures are different. Signatures are nothing but number of parameters that we are passed is different. In the first case we do not pass any parameters. In the second case we pass only one parameter. In the third case we pass also one parameter. In the fourth case we pass 2 parameters. But data type of parameters are also different. Return type of method is the same and method name is same. So overloading is a technique that is used to define more than one method. Here we have to define 4 methods, but method name is the same, but its signatures are different. Signatures are nothing but we can pass different number of parameters, and also data type of parameters are also different. Okay. Next one, this is the main class. Because main method is available in the class, that class name is method overloading demo. First, we have to create the object for the method overloading class. Here, class name is method overloading, object name is wo, new operator is used for allocating the memory for the object wo, and this is the constructor. Okay, by using that object, we have to access the methods that are available in method overloading class. First, o.display method. Here we do not pass any parameter. At the compile time, it checks whether it is available in the display method that does not have any parameters. Yes, here display method is there, it do not pass any parameters here, then it can be accessed, and whatever the statement that is available in the method body, that is to be printed. Next one, o.display of file. Okay, here we have to access the method name is display. We can pass only one parameter. That parameter is integer parameter, that is 5. So now at the compile time, it checks method name is display. We can pass integer parameter. So this method is called void display int a. Okay, so here 5 value can be stored in variable a, can be copied into variable a. Then we have to display the this line system.out.println a value is, so that a value 5 is printed. Next one, o.display of p. Here we have to pass one parameter. That parameter is character parameter, so that is p. Okay, so which method is accessed among the 4 methods? Okay, here we have to pass the argument as character argument. So this method can be accessed. So whatever the statement that is available in this method can be displayed. System.out.println given character is plus ch, so that is p value is printed. Next one, o.display 2.5 comma 3.5. Here we have to pass 2 parameters. That 2 parameters contains the data type as a double, so that we can access this method. So system.out.println a value is 2.5 is printed, b value is 3.5 is printed. So 2.5 value can be copied into variable a, 3.5 value can be copied into variable b. So then here we have to display the a value as a 2.5 and b value as a 3.5. So in the compile time, we have to check which method is to be accessed. So based on the return type, based on the method name, based on the parameters we are passing. So here consider the last line, o.display 2.5 3.5. Here method name is display. Here we are passing 2 parameters. That 2 parameters are contains the data type has the double, so that in the compile time it checks any method contains 2 parameters. That 2 parameters contains the double data type. So here this method contains this method is a display method. It contains the 2 parameters. That 2 parameters contains the double data type, so that at the compile time it checks and access this method and print the a value and b value whenever 2.5 value is copied into a and 3.5 value is copied into B. So then A value is printed as 2.5 and B value is printed as 3.5. In the same way, here O dot display, here we are passing the character parameter. It checks any display method contains the parameter has the character data type. So here it is matched, then whatever the statements within that method can be printed. So in the same way, here we are passing the integer parameter. It checks any display method contains the integer parameter. So if it checks at compile time, if it is okay, so then this value is copied into variable A, then its value is printed. But in the case of O dot display open parenthesis close parenthesis, we do not pass any parameters for display method. At that time, any method contains no parameters, that method is accessed, and whatever the statements within the body of that method can be displayed or can be printed. So this is the method overloading program. Here method name is display. So but it can be contains different number of parameters. First method contains no parameters. Second method contains one parameter but its data type is integer. The third method contains one parameter, its data type is character, but fourth method contains two parameters, that two parameters are double data type. Okay, in this way we have to achieve method overloading concept by creating different methods with different parameters over a return type, different parameters and different data types. But here we have to use a return type is the same and the method name is also same, but we have to define different number of parameters for each and every method. So this concept is called as method overloading concept. Now we have to save this program. Save as method overloading demo. Okay, so main method is available in which class? So we have to save that program with that class name. Here main method is available in method overloading demo. We have to save that program with this name, method overloading demo dot java, method overloading demo dot java. So now after saving this program, we have to compile that. Now again we have to compile this program. Now run this program. Java method overloading demo, method overloading demo, Java method overloading, sorry, we have to give one space here. Now we get the output. The first method does not contain any parameter. The second method contains only one parameter. Its data type is integer. Its value is 5. Next one, the third method contains only one parameter. It contains the character data type. Its value is P. The fourth method contains two parameters that are A and B. A data type is a double and B data type is a double. A contains the value 2.5 and B contains the value 3.5. So this is the output of the method overloading program. Okay. Now we can go to the program. So this is the program. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and click on the bell icon to get the future updates in my YouTube channel. After subscribing my YouTube channel, Divvela Srinivas Rao. Next, we have to discuss method overriding in the next concept. In this